sa ika-6 na baita na si Jehan Patricia Pangan.
Our guests of honor, school administration, teachers and staff, my dear co-graduates, beloved parents, friends and schoolmates, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant evening to all of you. It is an honor and privilege to stand in front of you on behalf of my co-graduates to express the gratitude and happiness that we are feeling in our hearts. We could celebrate the past 6 years of our grade school life. We could also celebrate those who graduated with honors. But I would like to take this opportunity to acknowledge those who never got any honors, awards, medals, or any recognitions. In the society we are living in, it seems that the only measure of success is to attain as many awards as well. There is nothing wrong with doing best and eventually getting recognized for it. But to think that it is the barometer for success, the only passport to be accepted in this society, is a very big mistake. We have been taught different kinds of knowledge since our first day. But to me, the most important lesson that we should continue to learn is how to be happy. Happiness, in the sense that you are comfortable in your own skin. You are content with what you have. You love and are loved by people close to you, and you are hopeful for what tomorrow has to offer. Some may not have attained any medals or recognitions during their stay here, but if we continue to believe in our dreams, grab it tightly, push ourselves hard in achieving it, and use it to help and inspire others, then we can truly say that our lives have been meaningful. True happiness comes from the joy of helping others in need, expecting nothing in return, as well as being an inspiration to others for them to also reach out for their stars. To our beloved parents and teachers, we cannot thank you enough for the never-ending love and support. However, this is just the beginning of another long journey. So we would like to ask for your continuous love and support, not just in attaining our goals, but in our desire to live a happy and content life. To my co-graduates, keep in mind that the journey is more enjoyable than the goal itself. Let us continue to climb for greater heights while keeping our feet on the ground. Finally, let's not forget to celebrate each day of our lives by being grateful to our Creator for letting us experience the gift of life. Thank you very much, congratulations, and good afternoon.